Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great and staying safe. So, I created this Haldi Mehndi makeup look. I know that this is a festive season going on and I thought to create look that would be helpful for you. So, I try to use minimal products so that this look can be easy. But for that, you need to keep on watching this video. Before that, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel and hit a comment if you like this video or not. So without any further blabbering, let us continue with the video. So first step to apply makeup is to prep your skin very beautifully. I have a very dry skin and I make sure that I apply good amount of moisturizer and serum to make my skin ready for further makeup process. Now I'm using Nature's Co Vitamin E moisturizer to moisturize my skin. Now I'm going to use Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer to hydrate my skin, and I will make sure that it seeps into my skin, and I will keep it for 2 to 3 minutes for the product to absorb into my skin. I have also applied Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer to fill out my pores because I tend to have pores around my T-zone. So once that all is also absorbed into my skin, I'm going to hide my hyperpigmentation around my eyes, around my mouth, and spots where I have pigmentations. Now I'm going to use L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the number 106 Sun Beige. Please keep that in mind that this is a very dry foundation and you need to make sure that you blend it with a makeup fixer and then apply it so that the amount is evenly spread into your skin. I'm going to blend it with the same beauty blender. Now I'm going to highlight my under eyes so that my eyes looked waked up. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the number 25 medium. I'm going to blend this concealer with PAC 219 brush. This is a very precise brush for under eyes blending. I'm going to set my concealer with Maybelline Loose Powder and I'm in the number 15 light. So I'm going to make sure that I bake under my eyes and places where I've applied concealer. Now I'm going to dust off the excess powder that I have on my face because I have a dry skin and I do not want to bake for a longer time. Now I'm going to create a dimension to my face. For this I'm going to use Physician Formula bronzer. This is a butter bronzer guys and it merges or melts into your skin like butter. And I'm in the shade Deep. So firstly I'm going to bronze my cheekbones and then my jawlines and my forehead. And after pinching the brush, I'm also going to bronze up or contour my nose area. Now I'm going to apply blush on my cheeks. For this I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Blush. And this is a very pigmented blush. So you need to make sure that you are applying a lesser amount at first and then building it up as per your liking. Now I'm going to fill up my brows. For this I'm going to use Swiss Beauty eyebrow and eyeliner pomade. I'm going to use Cuffs and Lashes brush for filling up my brows. Now we should move to the eyeshadow application. For this I'm going to use Beauty Glaze Color Studio palette, and I'm going to pick a orange shade to for my transition. Now I've zoomed you in, guys. I'm going to pick the purple color from the same palette and apply it on my outer V and in the transition area so that there is a depth in the eyes. Now I'm going to make sure to deepen my outer corners. So I'm going to apply black eyeshadow and blend it with the purple eyeshadow. Now we are going to cut our crease. I'm going to use same Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and with a flat brush I'm going to precisely cut my crease and blend it with the eyeshadow application. Now I'm going to use the same purple color in my outer corners to create a blended look in the outer parts of her eye. Next, I'm going to pick a green shade. This is a dark green shade from the same palette on a flat brush, and I'm going to apply on the center part of my lid. Next, we are going to use a yellow eyeshadow from the same palette. So guys, I noticed that this yellow is not very pigmented from the Beauty Glaze Color Studio palette. I had to build it up multiple times to get the efficiency or the pigmentation that I needed on my eye, and I finally achieved it. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. Firstly, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty eyeliner pomade, and then I'm going to fix that pomade with a liquid eyeliner so that the pomade doesn't move. Then I'm going to apply false eyelashes. I got this pair of lashes from Amazon, and these are very good and affordable lashes, and the lash glue is also very good. I will mention the product link in the description box, so if you want to purchase, you can buy it from that link as well. So now we are going to move to our lower lash line. I'm firstly going to apply gel eyeliner in the lower waterline, and then I'm going to merge it with green and purple eyeshadows so that it looks as a blended effect. Now I'm going to highlight my face. I'm going to use Maybelline highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my eyebrow bones, my nose and my forehead, and with a small precise brush I'm going to highlight my inner corners as well. So for lips, I'm going to use my current favorite combo, Shimbor lip liner in the number 01 brown and ELF liquid lipstick in the shade Praline. So this is my current favorite lip combo and I really love this combo while I'm doing a loud makeup on my eyes. I'm going to set my makeup with a makeup fixing spray. Guys, this effect will be a game changer for you because this makes your makeup long lasting as well as dewy. So I always make sure that after completion of my makeup I apply a setting spray to set my makeup in place. So guys, this is our final makeup look. I created this makeup look specially for wedding occasions. You can carry it over healthy look or mehndi look or even as a wedding guest. So I will mention the product links in the description box below for you to check out. Till then, if you like this video, do make sure to comment down your reaction. And before leaving, don't make sure to subscribe to my channel. That would genuinely mean the world to me. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Love you. Bye bye.